Autism ranges from kids who are verbally fluent, brilliant in some ways, to kids who are nonverbal, intellectually disabled, with significant motor skill deficits. There could be 1,000 different causes of autism, literally. Hundreds of genes that underlie the clinical picture. We have a big hole in our field. We've been using the same medicines for decades and decades and decades, and nothing is really biologically driven in the sense that it actually targets the underlying disease. And that's what I wanted to try to develop. And that's what got me interested in research in autism. At the Friedman Brain Institute at Mount Sinai, we are on the forefront of genetic discovery in neurodevelopmental disorders, and we are leading the next generation of treatments in autism and other developmental disabilities. Genetics is the key to understanding the biology of autism. With major advances in genetic technology, we're able to sequence genes down to the very single base pair and see are there changes in the genetic structure that would occur in a gene that we think is causal for autism. Mount Sinai has really taken the lead in developing model systems to better understand the biology. And once we were able to understand the biology and understand exactly what was going wrong in the brain and how brain cells were not connecting properly, we found dramatic improvements, able to reverse behavioral problems, able to reverse the way that brain cells were connecting. I use the word hope all the time. We have to have a certain hope and optimism about what we're doing. And because of our work at the Cibor Autism Center, we're able to provide that for children and families. The work that we do is driven entirely by families. The time that we spend with families, seeing these children, evaluating these children, trying to understand what affects them and how they suffer. You're constantly faced with it every day. What drives me in particular is really the hope that we can find new treatments, the hope that we can develop treatments that will change lives. I think hope is critical.